What's up, people? You got Captain Tony here, you got Captain Zach, Captain Aaron here. It's a special edition today. Unfortunately, Captain Gonzalez couldn't be here due to weather conditions. As you can see, it's kind of a rough, choppy day for him today, so he was gonna take the day off. We're down here in Naples, Florida. We're gonna be targeting some snook and some redfish. So we're on our way to get some bait right now. We'll let you know how that goes.
Shake it down. Yeah, that's good for rookery too. Perfect size.
Yeah.
I think you got a lot of it too. Oh yeah, that's perfect. So definitely good for the day.
Oh damn, bro. Good Christmas tree sunblock.
Shake it out a little bit at a time.
All right, people, now that we got the bait, let's go fish.
Nice jack. Start the morning.
That's 10.
Anybody want it?
I'm good. Look, I might.
Okay, you want it?
No.
If it was like a monster.
Yeah.
Dude, Aaron's catching all the fish today, man. The last couple of trips, he's been laughing at us.
Sorry about my holding here, but what we have here is a speckled sea trout caught on the Z-Man. I'd like a quick shout out to Red Bull Star Rods.
Salt strong. Oh yeah.
All right, we got Zach on another trout here. Looks like we found a little honey hole. Gonzo, next time you come with us, bud, we'll bring you here. Ain't that right, Captain Licka?
We'll see. We'll see. It's a little rough.
A little rough.
A little rough.
A little rough out here.
But I think we just found us a good trout spot. It's number 3 in a row.
These are nice size too, man.
What's the limit on these?
15 to 19, one per person over 19.
What is that, 3 per person?
3 per person. That's another nice one.
That one's bigger than the last
Just
one.
gave me a little tail smack.
Dude, I got one on. Hey,
I got you, Zach.
There it is. Now you just get you a red and you have a slam, dude.
Artificial's the way to go today.
little short snook. It's a tiny little jack.
Yeah.
That's all right, man.
Let's go to that other island and see if there's some.
Zach doing what he does best here, folks.
Flooding the boat. Measure him real quick.
What you got there, a little short snook?
Little short snook. Some shorter than the last one.
Snooky?
Little short snook. What do you think, Captain?
I think we've had a pretty good day. All right.
All right, guys. This is another inshore Cuban wahoo. This is 2 for today. Slam shady. Took the paddle tail. Guys, we're coming back in here. Short half day. Got some nice keeper trout. A couple nice keeper mangrove snappers. We got to get back in early. We got some chores to take care of today. Check us out, Moho Fishing 101. Hit the like button, subscribe, and click that notification bell.